Frosty na Shachtana Caitheamh 3. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. Ri, Ross, Reeve, Fuig, Bowen, Immer, Cliha, Caitheamh Far, Fua. By Friday you need to be able to answer the questions without looking at the actual answers. Say the words out loud, get out of your seats and do the actions. Ritu I Ross Reeve, did you run in a race before? Ri, near Ri. Vuig to Bowen, did you win a medal? Vuig, near Vuig. Immer to Cliha Reeve, did you play a game before? Dimmer, near Immer. Caitheamh is Farlat, what is your favourite pastime? Ismahlum Aveheg Immert Imont, I like to play hurling. Caitheamh is Fualat, what is your least favourite pastime? Isfulum Aveheg Lev, I don't like reading. Listen out for the verb in the question and then answer with that verb. Ri, ri. Vuig, vuig. Immer, dimmer. Because it's a vowel, we put D in front. Caitheamh is Farlat, you answer with is Farlum. Is Fualat, you answer with is Fualum.